Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write 10 lines essay on flood. So let's start. First point is, a flood is a natural disaster caused by heavy rainfalls or overflowing rivers. Second point is, it covers the land with a large amount of water and causes massive destruction. Third point is, floods damage houses, roads, bridges, and crops. Fourth point is, many people lost their shelter, belongings, and sometimes even their lives. Fifth point is, animals also suffer badly during floods. Sixth one is, floods disturb communication, transport, education, and daily life. Seventh point is, stagnant flood water spreads dirt and diseases and makes life difficult. Eighth point is, government and rescue teams provide food, shelter, and medicines to the affected people. Ninth point is, plantation, proper drainage system, and building more dams can reduce the risk of flood. And the last point is, we should always be prepared and united to face such natural disasters with courage. Thanks for watching.